Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Earning Support YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a new interesting decentralized platform, QuartiCoin. QuartiCoin is an open source project for creating a decentralized digital asset like Bitcoin. So, QuartiCoin is a decentralized peer-to-peer protocol for safe payment and communication worldwide. QuartiCoin website is quarticoin.org. You can find all details here. You can see wallets and contribute on GitHub. You can use this platform just downloading this wallet. You can download this wallet here. Just let's talk about some new important features about QuartiCoin. Here you can check. QuartiCoin is a real decentralized community cryptocurrency, a decentralized digital asset like Bitcoin. Nobody owns or controls QuartiCoins. Here are features: open source platform, decentralized community, democracy and privacy, egalitarian proof of work (EPOW), ultra fast transactions, EPOS. Here you can check all details about this project like total supply, name, ticker, QWC, block rewards, difficult algorithm, text hash, proof type, P2P port, block time, RPC port, technology. These are some latest release from QuartiCoin like mobile wallet, web wallet, paper wallet, zero wallet, GUI wallet, CLI wallet, and our voting platforms. So if you want to use mobile and web wallets, so you can use this, and GUI wallet, paper wallet, CLI wallet. These are some important and latest release of QuartiCoin. QuartiCoin environment. These are some exchange details. Here you can check some marketplace like CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Livecoin Watch, CoinCodex. Here you can check mining, mining pool 2, mining pools, mining guides, environments, and these are the details of partnerships. You can check here. These are social media platforms of QuartiCoins. Join 24/7 community discussion to be aware of all the latest topic. Like you can follow on Twitter, Facebook, Medium, Reddit, Discord. Must join Telegram community if you have any kind of query, any kind of confusion about this project. If you want to know about more details about this project, so you can join Telegram community. Admins are active. Here are details of QuartiCoin developments. Everyone can contribute, participate in QuartiCoin and be a part of building a blockchain services. Like here you can check white paper, brands, GitHub, and blockchains, documents and releases. Here are details of core teams. You can check here. If we talk about the white paper, just let's check white paper. This is white paper. Here you can check all details about this platform, QuartiCoin. Here is introductions. Let's check roadmap. So according to roadmap, you can check here currency application development 2017 by the end 2019, all completes works, and 2020 by the end of 2020. These are the some more important works for the developments we will see in future. You can check here. This is 2022 to 2024. Some wallets, chat, existing commerce applications, exchanges. If we talk about the new listing, price, exchanges, so here you can check. So here are full details about this platform. You can check listed exchange. This token is already listed. You can check here 624. All exchanges are here. Binance, HitBTC, Bittrex, Poloniex and other exchanges will be possible candidates or our own exchanges. So this is the full details about this project, and this is so important, innovative and latest platform. Please don't miss this platform, use this platform. And so this video is about all Kuaiti coins. So if you like this video, so please like this video, share this video, and see you in next video. Thank you so much.